Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we're diving into the world of AI tools that can make your life as a student a whole lot easier. From boosting productivity to enhancing creativity, AI is a game changer. So let's jump right in. First up, we have Humanize AI. This tool is all about making your writing sound more natural and human-like. Whether you're working on an essay or a project, Humanize AI helps transform robotic text into more engaging and natural content. It's perfect if you want to ensure your academic papers have that conversational touch without losing any professionalism. Next, let's talk about Quillbot. If you've ever struggled with paraphrasing or rephrasing a paragraph, Quillbot is here to help. It's an AI-powered tool that rewords your text to make it more concise, clear, and effective. Whether you need to summarize research, rewrite an essay, or just need some inspiration, Quillbot is a great companion for any student. Of course, we can't forget ChatGPT. This AI is your go-to for pretty much everything. Need help with homework? Want to brainstorm ideas for a project? Or maybe you just need to understand a complex concept. ChatGPT can explain things in simple terms, answer your questions, and even generate creative ideas. It's like having an AI tutor, writing assistant, and research buddy all rolled into one. Now, let's move on to Canva. It's not just for graphic designers. Canva is an incredible tool for students who need to create visually appealing presentations, posters, or infographics. With its AI-driven templates, you don't need to be a design expert to create stunning visuals that will impress your professors or classmates. Whether it's a school project or a social media post, Canva makes it easy and fun to design. Next, we have Answers AI. If you're working on a research project and need quick, reliable answers, this AI tool can help you find accurate information fast. Just type in your question, and it will generate a well-researched response. It's a great way to gather data for assignments or get different perspectives on any topic without spending hours scouring the web. HIX.AI is another must-have for students. HIX.AI is a comprehensive, AI-powered writing tool designed to enhance content creation. It offers over 120 tools to assist with various writing tasks, including article generation, grammar checks, and plagiarism detection. The platform is particularly useful for students and professionals, offering features like essay assistance, email writing, and real-time research capabilities. Last but certainly not least, Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker. As a student, it's essential to make sure your work is original. Grammarly's plagiarism tool checks your writing against billions of web pages to ensure your content is unique. Plus, it provides detailed suggestions to help you improve your writing, whether it's fixing grammar, enhancing clarity, or fixing style issues. It's a great tool for ensuring your assignments are polished and plagiarism-free. So, there you have it. 7 powerful AI tools that every student should try. They can help you write better, research faster, design amazing projects, and ensure your work is original. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and AI updates. Drop a comment below with your favorite AI tool, and let me know how you're using them in your studies. Thanks for watching.